all very good friends of mine. I'd love to see Daisy KEECH take this. Case Boone, also a great friend of mine, but Charly Jordan is just I'll be honest with you, Thomas, they should just give her the medal now. And you know, these guys could all get some water, you know, a salad, whatever they want to have something to eat. Charly Jordan is a monster.
So I think we got a birthday surprise somewhere down on the track. We're going to pause for that.
Happy birthday.
I love you too, and it's my pleasure to be here with everyone on my birthday and to spend it with my boys. I love you.
Thank you guys. Keep donating. Hope you're liking the games. I will be running the 4x100.
Logan. Good thing he's rich. He can afford a lot of microphones. Ladies and gentlemen, Pam Paul. Happy birthday, Pam.
What a weekend for the Paul family.
Just
we got
incredible.
a wedding, we got a birthday, we got the Challenger Games. Action-packed this weekend.
And to hear her called Pam Paul again.
And here we go.
Wow.
And the hurdles, these are the most dangerous at the games right now. It's Charly Jordan in Flower Friendly out, but it's Charly Jordan just down the stretch is just too much to overcome. But Flower Friendly hanging in there. Charly Jordan back-to-back gold medals for her.
She is just, I mean, why is she at this event and not on the Olympic
We should start her
team?
30 meters back.
Good God. I mean, she is absolutely incredible. But then, you know, listen, a great performance from all the competitors. Daisy really keeping up at it. This is not an easy event, Thomas, for someone who's never run it before. Hurdles are very difficult. I couldn't make it over one of those hurdles with these paddle feet, Thomas.
And very bold to attempt the hurdles without ever actually trying them out before. So you got to give a lot of shout out and a lot of credibility to those competitors.
Look at all those hurdles. It looks like some sort of domino rally. You know, you tip over one of them and the rest could fall. And this is just incredible to watch. Big smiles knowing that, you know, the winner's going to donate some money to charity. And Charly Jordan focused like she's taking the SATs as she runs.
So we're going to go to Shannon, who's with Charly right now. Shannon, what do you got for us?
Here we are. We're here with the winner. Here she is again, guys. Talk to us, Champette.
I told you I want that money.
Oh, she was serious. You really meant it.
I got to. I meant it for real.
Tell us about that charity.
I want to donate so bad. It's Operation Underground Railroad, and they deal with sex trafficking for underage children and women.
Wow.
Such an amazing cause.
Yeah, yeah. And you're so dedicated to it. We see you out there. You're really pushing, man. Can I get a let's go chant for all the girls and boys at home?
Let's go, champ. Boys and girls, you got this.
We're proud of you, champ. We're proud of you. Let's go, champ.